Welcome to Joules experiment simulation. By the end of the experiment, the student should be able to 1. State the principle of conservation of energy. 2. Identify which types of energy were involved in the experiment. 3. Recognize how energy conversion takes place from electrical energy into heat energy. 4. Identify the different units used to measure energy. 5. Determine the value of the mechanical equivalent of heat and resistance of the coil. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll find Essential Controls. The Record button allows you to save your data, which you can review by clicking the Results button. You may run the experiment again at a new trial. You just need to click on Clear Results Table. After you finish your trial, you may end the experiment by clicking End. Step 1. Weigh the empty calorimeter by dragging it over the balance. Step 2. Click the Record button to save the mass of the calorimeter. Step 3. Click the balance to tare it. Step 4. Pour a suitable amount of water, approximately 200 grams, into the calorimeter while being on the balance. Step 5. Click the Record button to save the mass of water. Step 6. Move the calorimeter with water to the insulated jacket. Step 7. Place the wooden top cover with the thermometer on the calorimeter. Step 8. Click the Record button to save the initial temperature of water. Step 9. Connect the circuit as shown. Step 10. Turn on the power supply. Step 11. Adjust the output current to approximately 1 ampere, for example. Step 12. Click the Record button to save the readings of the ammeter and the voltmeter. A stopwatch will start. Note, to speed up the experiment, the timer doesn't display in real time, but is sped up by 10 times. For example, 15 minutes is scaled down to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Step 13. Wait for 15 minutes, time of operation, and after that turn off the power supply and the stopwatch. Turn off power supply. Step 14. Wait for another 2 minutes and watch the thermometer reading until it reaches the maximum value. Step 15. Click the record button to save the readings of the final temperature. Step 16. When you finish recording data, click the End button to download the Excel sheet with your saved data. The experiment has been completed. The downloaded Excel sheet is safe to open. Please open the Excel sheet and click Yes. Data analysis. Step 17. Substitute in equation and get the Joules equivalent, mechanical equivalent of heat. Step 18. To calculate the resistance of coil, use this equation. R equals V divided by I.